Hey, quick analysis on why I grabbed Tesla calls at market close today. So this is the weekly chart, and um, Tesla did get a bit of a pullback this week. Um, but what I like is that we are still above the low from last week, and I want to see if Tesla will try to head back up for 260, 261 tomorrow. This is obviously a shorter term um, move, a very quick move. But I want to see if it can get that move up overnight. I know that we have resistance here, 260, 261. But what I like on the daily is that Tesla was able to hold this level on a pullback, and this level has held up since back here like middle of June. So it was resistance here, support here, and then it held this support again today, and then moved a little bit higher. So um, I know this is a little bit of a risk because this candle is just indecision. It's not a strong bullish candle at all. And we do have that resistance right here at 259 all the way up to 260, 261, I believe I mentioned on the weekly. But I really want to see if Tesla can get that push overnight up to 262 um, and then 264 into tomorrow. What I also liked on the 4 hour chart was this hold. This was what got my attention. So we were able to hold here since Wednesday, since yesterday, basically. So we held here again when we pulled back today, and then that last 4 hour candle held and pushed off of that level. I also I'm going to turn on my drawings, saw that we were getting what looks like a bull flag to me here right under resistance, and a bull flag at resistance and a hold of support to me looks like a move that could be setting up. So in post market, you can see we're already still moving up higher. But I really am bullish on Tesla. I feel like it can still get that move, even though it did get a bit of a pullback. But since Tuesday, we're still moving up. We're still holding the uptrend, and then just moved into a little bit of consolidation here, which I think can be healthy. So yeah, I just want to see what Tesla does tomorrow. It's also the last day of the month. Stocks are typically bullish, so we broke out of this downtrend on the daily, which I was keeping an eye on. We broke out of that earlier this week, and we've just been inching higher. So Tuesday we moved higher, Wednesday we moved higher. Today we just kind of consolidated, but we held. So I think that's a great setup to turn this 259, 260 from resistance into support and get that push higher up to 264. And who knows? I feel like once we clear 264, Tesla can really, really move. The next resistance is 274. Next major resistance, 274.46. And I would expect some resistance there for sure. But I feel like we might get that move. So that's my analysis. Again, I also just wanted to go back and look at the analyst ratings. Earlier this week, Tesla did get a rating on from Deutsche Bank with a buy rating. Price target increased to 230. So even though that's below the current trading price, it was an increase. So I feel like that can help. And I just, sometimes your trader gut just tells you, you know, when to get in something. And I don't know, I just felt bullish on Tesla for an overnight swing. So yeah, let's see how it goes.